Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 5 with me Adelia Maharani and these are my friends Muhammad Fali Abdillah, Widya Diningrum and Putri Nur Fauzia. Here we will present about fruit and vegetables in Indonesia. I would like to start this presentation with a quote given by Sukarno, build your soul, build your body. One way to build your body is by consuming enough of fruit and vegetables. In Indonesia, we have many types of delicious and nutritious fruit and vegetables. Since ancient times, fruit and vegetables have been an important part of the Indonesian people's diet. In fact, fruit and vegetables, some type of fruit and vegetables have been used as traditional medicine to treat various diseases. In this presentation, we will discuss how fruit and vegetables can help improve the health and economy of the Indonesian peoples, as well as how we can increase the production and consumption of fruit and vegetables in Indonesia every day. So let's hear about this. The first speaker is Muhammad Fali. To Fali, this time is yours.
Fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are sources of various vitamins, mineral, and fiber. Some vitamins, mineral contained in vegetable and fruits acts as antioxidant in the body. Vegetables and fruits are also sources of various micronutrients, phytochemicals that are contained in limited amounts in other foods group. Next, subject matter. Number 1, difference in fruit and vegetables. Availability by season. Number 1, influence of price on people's consumption level. Number 3, government support, subsidies or education and availability of fruits or seed. Number 4, comparison of local versus imported fruit or vegetable availability. Next, difference in fruits and vegetables availability by season. Number 1, rainy season. There is more availability of vegetables such as tomatoes and chili. However, some fruits or vegetables are difficult to obtain due to the risk of rotting. Quality rises due to continuous rain. Number 2, decision. More variety of vegetables, fruits stock are more, such as farmers have difficult planting. Some respondents mentioned that fruits are more plentiful in the dry season. Variation in ascor. Some respondents see the rainy season as interesting stock, while others see it as a hindrance due to product damage. Thank you to moderator. I give to moderator.
Thank you to Fali for the presentation about fruit and vegetables are source of various vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And then the second speaker is Widya Diningrum. To Widya, this time is yours.
Thanks to moderator. Number 2, next. Yeah. Influence of price on people consumption levels. Number 1, price increase. Some sellers drop because buyers are more selective. Point 2, some buyers keep buying out of necessity. Number 2, lower of cheaper prices consumption increase due to higher. Number 3, higher to purchasing power. Number 3, additional factor. Price are affected by the season. Import fruits are more expensive, so they are literally above. And the conclusion, there is a negative relationship between price increase and consumption levels. Next. And number 3, comparison of local versus imported fruits or vegetable availability. And point 1, more local vegetables or fruits. Local vegetables or fruits are more plentiful because imported are expensive. And then availability is balanced because supply from farmers varies. And secondly, imported fruits is more dominant. It's more dominant in some cases. Imported fruits are more abundant because local fruits are sensational. Number 3, import constraints, high price and difficult to obtain. And a polarity of answer. Some respondents see a balance while others see local or import dominance depending on the community. Thank you, and I will give back to moderator.
Thank you to Widya for the presentation about local fruit and vegetables are more dominant in availability compared to import. And the last speaker is Putri Nur Fauzia. To Putri, this time is yours.
Point 4, government support subsidy for our education and availability of fruit or seed. Point 1, no support or stand that they have never received government assistance such as subsidy or education programs. Point 2, respondent 1 and 2 have only heard of assistance but no experience it firsthand. And number 2, expectation of support, hope for assistance in the future. Implication, lack of government intervention can affect supply and stabilization. Next, recommendation based of findings. Point 1, seasonal supply management need for strong technology to reduce damage during the rainy season. Point 2, price stabilization of government can intervene through bridge policies or farmer subsidies. Point 3, local product improvement support farmer training to reduce import dependency. Point 4, government assistance program, socialization and implementation of assistance for small traders. Thank you to moderator. I give back to moderator.
Thank you to Putri for the presentation about respondents have never received government assistance, although there are hope for future support. So the conclusion of this presentation is what? Seasonality and price are the main factors affecting availability and consumption. 2. Local products are dominant, but imports still play a role with price challenge. 3. Government support is still minimal, hence the need for increased intervention for food security. So, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.